got, it's the evening of the third day. We've been at elk all day. It's been absolutely unbelievable. We've come over in one area they call the lowlands, which is kind of up above the main house where we're staying. It's kind of rolling hills. It's about 6 o'clock on the 15th. We've got elk bugling down here. We just checked out a bull. Not big enough to make a move on, but we just spotted a really good bull standing next to a cow that's bedded. We're going to try to work around underneath. We think they're going to feed down tonight. We're going to try to cut them off and see if we can't get underneath them and have them come right in. Should be hot action, so see what happens. This is nuts. Never seen it like it. All right, we just finished up an amazing day of elk hunting. To cap it off tonight with a huge herd of cows, 27 to 30 bulls working it. It was amazing. I snuck in, I belly crawled on a big 6x6 old heavy bull. Got to within 30 yards, but I couldn't see him through the grass, and he ended up getting out on us before I could get a shot. But pretty insane, wasn't it, guys?
Unreal.
I don't know how many bulls we called in today, but it was
Been
nuts.
right in the middle of elk since sunrise.
Yeah, lifetime elk hunting in just 12 hours. Crazy. I think you got a pretty good elk herd.
Yeah, buddy.
Numbers are down.
Numbers are way down.
All right. Let's get after it tomorrow.